Hey fans, today COVID-19 emergency room visits and deaths have seen an uptick recently, according to the latest federal health data. Despite a significant reduction in overall surveillance data collection, hospitalizations and deaths remain key indicators of the disease's spread. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reported a 23% increase in emergency department visits diagnosed as COVID-19 for the week of June 22, and a 14% rise in COVID-19 related deaths. COVID-19 cases tend to follow a seasonal pattern, with significant increases during winter months and smaller rises in the summer. Experts believe this summer's uptick is part of that predictable pattern. While the risk of severe illness or death has diminished compared to the early pandemic due to widespread vaccination and prior infections, COVID-19 still poses a risk, especially to vulnerable populations. In 2023, over 75,000 people died from COVID-19 in the U.S., and nearly 1 million were hospitalized. The current increase in emergency room visits and deaths, while notable, is not on the same scale as earlier in the pandemic. For instance, provisional data shows hundreds of deaths recently compared to more than 2,000 deaths weekly in late December and January of past years. Health officials emphasize that older individuals remain at heightened risk for severe COVID-19 outcomes. The CDC recommends that everyone aged 6 months and older receive the updated COVID-19 vaccine when it becomes available later this year. This updated vaccine is expected to provide better protection against current variants and help mitigate the impact of future surges.